Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we reached a new milestone. We've had 250,000 views on 504 Road Trips, and we'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching and supporting our channel. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever new videos come out. Today is our final video in the I-22 series, and we continue east beginning in Walker County at Alabama exit 78. We're beginning a new promotion here at 504 Road Trips. We'll begin giving a shout out to small YouTube content creators, or really anyone who wants to enter. The rules are simple but very specific. All you have to do is write your YouTube username on a piece of paper measuring exactly 2.61 inches by 6.14 inches and mail it to Promotions Manager at P.O. Box 1424, Gretna, Louisiana 70054. The size is very important because our sophisticated processing equipment will only handle paper of that exact size. If you don't happen to have paper in this size laying around and can't find it in your hammer mill catalog, a $100 bill or any other denomination will suffice. Please print clearly. We'll give you a shout out and put a link to your YouTube channel in the video and description. If you include your return address, we'll send you a 504 Road Trips window sticker. This idea came from YouTuber C. John Vlog, so here's your shout out, John. Check out his channel in the link at the top of your screen or in the description below. We enter Jefferson County, Alabama, which is the most populous county in the state. The 2016 estimated population was 659,521. Birmingham is the county seat of Jefferson County. Here at exit 85, US Highway 78 departs to the south, as well as Alabama State Highway 4, even though the sign makes no mention of Highway 4. We enter the town of Graysville, which has a population of 2,107. Here we see an anomaly. Although the last exit claimed to be US Highway 78 and maps show US 78 going south to Birmingham, on the right we see a US 78 shield, so it's uncertain at this time whether US 78 continues along I-22 or if it heads away to the south a mile or so back. We enter the city of Birmingham, the most populous city in the state of Alabama with a population of 212,157. After 95 miles on I-22 in the state of Alabama and 213 miles on the entire route, we come to the eastern terminus with the right lanes heading onto I-65 south and the left lanes routing onto I-65 northbound. This concludes our video in the I-22 series. We want to thank each and every one of our viewers again for watching and for subscribing and for helping us to reach 250,000 views. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.